The situation arising out of the assault of two local taxi drivers in the city is yet to die down as leaders and members of the East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association gathered outside the Sadar police station today to meet the officer in charge and investigating officer to inquire about the arrest of 5 persons. Only the leaders of the association were allowed to enter the premises and meet the police officers. 5 persons were arrested by Shillong police with the help of Guwahati police from Guwahati yesterday after the 2 drivers were assaulted. After coming out of the police station, the leaders confirmed the arrest of the 5 individuals from Guwahati.
Reply given by the IPS officer, who is the IO, investigation officer of this case. So he have given us an assurance that this is the real accused that they have caught from Guwahati last night. So we are asking them why did they fled from Shillong. The answer that they given us that this person they have scared the life, and after at the same time their family members they urged them to fled from Shillong.
The Amrit